A game.
Do you know the car? How many wheels does the car have? You have 5 seconds.
Four wheels.
How many doors does the car have? Lucas?
Four doors.
How many mirrors does the car have? Mirrors. Lucas?
Three mirrors.
Nice. How many lights does the car have?
Four lights.
How many blinkers does the car have?
Four blinkers.
Anything else? Wheels, doors, seats, mirrors, blinkers, lights.
Seats.
How many seats does the car have?
Five seats.
Nice. And now a riddle.
Where is the engine?
The engine. Here or here? Where is the engine? In the front or in the back? No, there is no engine. The engine is in the back. Lucas, turn off the engine.
The car has 4 wheels, 4 lights, 1 engine, 5 seats, 3 mirrors, 4 blinkers, and 4 doors. See you later.